Hello, this is Crowe. I'm doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Babes Mastermind group. I'm on Facebook, but I want to go to the group site, but as I start typing ON, it comes up with Online Business Network. I click on it. It goes to the Online Business Network Facebook group page, but I want to get to syndication. So at first I had trouble finding syndication on here, but then if I go to the search and click search, I've already typed syndication already, so it brings up the syndication group. To comment, I can just click comment, but I want to comment on other people's comments. So I'm going to click the 1.5K comments. I want to look at the comments, so I will click all comments, and I'll do most recent. Once I do the most recent, then and scroll down, what was happening was when I would go here and comment, when I started to come back, I had to go through all the trouble of clicking on the 1.5K and going through all that. I was wasting a lot of time. But then I realized what I could do was I could just point to it and right click and click open link in new tab. And when I click open link in new tab, it opened this in a new tab. So then I will click on that tab and I will actually go to this particular post. So on this post, then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click the love button and give it some love. And here's the comment button. And for the comment, it says tweet your reply. I'll just make a comment, great job, and then I'm going to reply. So I click reply, and I have commented, replied, and I also loved it. So I'm going to close this and go back to our syndication group. I'm back in the syndication group, and here's another one by the same person. So I'm just going to go and find someone different. He put it on all three sites. I'm at Tanya's now. So what I'm going to do on Tanya's, I will go to it, right click, open it in a new tab, and then I'm going to go to that tab. When I go to that tab, here is Rhonda's post, and my sound is turned off, and the video is stopped, and I'll turn the sound off too.
Starting and growing an online business with the help of the Babes 100K plus Mastermind for both women and men. One of the things that I have learned is now you can receive.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like it. When I click like it, I'm going to comment. I'm going to comment on David's. So what I'm going to do, if I click it, it will open on top of this, and I have a lot of trouble getting back to the same place. So I will right click it. When I right click it, it says open link in new tab. Then I'm going to go up here and click on that tab. It's still coming in.
Good day, everybody. Dave Metrikoff here. And just getting things started. Let me get my thinking cap on.
And so what I'll do is I will
help me think better, and got my good old
down a little bit. I guess I have to click down. See, I'm going to go ahead and click like it, and then I don't see what the comment is. I haven't subscribed to his channel, so I'll go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I'll give him another subscriber. Right now I don't see the comment button, but I was going to comment, but oh, I know where it is. Let me just scroll on down. I'm actually doing this. It looks different when I do it recording the screen. So if I make mistakes, that's okay. So, uh, so I make my comment. So I did three things. I liked it, I subscribed to his channel, and I made a comment for him. So I am recording the screen, so when I make a mistake, you can see that I'm not doing everything perfect as I go. I'll go back to the top. I'm going to close his tab. When I close his tab, then that takes me back to where I'm making comments. I'm going to go to someone else's. Here's one on Facebook. I'm going to right click. When I right click, I'm going to click open link in new tab. And I'm going up to the top. I'm going to click on that tab. It says this content is available right now, so I'll go look at someone else's. I'll look at Gary's, and I will right click, open link in new tab, and I'll go up the top, click on that tab, and there's his post with the babes. So when I scroll down, I'm going to click like, and then I could click comment, but I can probably just go to the bottom of the comments and click one. I'm just going to use the avatar this time, and I'm going to click the avatar. So what I've done is I liked his page and I commented. So I'm going back and I'm going to close that tab, and it takes me back to where that I am working on. Here is a post by Clint Black where he's put something on YouTube. So instead of clicking it, it would open on top of this. I'm going to right click, open link in new tab, and then I'll go to the new tab at the top, wait for it to open, and it will be in just a little while. Usually it doesn't take this long, but sometimes when you're recording, you don't have a choice. You have to wait for it. Okay, here's Clint's.
Don't get lost, cause I'm waiting. Summer feelings are waiting, boy. You and me is more.
We'll pause it. When people use YouTube, Clint is using YouTube Shorts. On the regular videos, everything is listed beneath the video where you like and comment. But on the Shorts, notice everything is over on the far right. So when you go to someone's YouTube video and it's in Shorts, it's going to look different. Everything's on the right instead of underneath it, like in the regular length videos. So at the top, you can like it. So I'm going to click like. And then there's a spot for a comment. So I'm going to click on comment, and I can click add a comment, and I'll just put great joke and comment. I'm going to close the comments, but look at the three dots. The three dots, when I click on those, I can click description. When I just click description, but somehow I lost it. Let me click again. Description. In Clint's description, he does a super job of using hashtags. See the pound? He has pound joke, pound funny, pound comedy. All those are hashtags. This helps him get more views. On this one, he has 490 views. I know on some of his other videos, he has over 1,000 views on several videos. So this one didn't do quite as well as some of the others, but he has a lot of them that's got over 1,000 views. And I think it's because he's putting his hashtags in. And of course, then in his the rest of his description, so he's still putting hashtags in his writing as he does that. Some of y'all might want to consider that. Try it, see how it affects your views. If it affects your views, let us know, because we'd like to know how this is working for everyone else.